Use the Pythagorean theorem to find the exact length of side B in the figure. In the figure, we have a right triangle with sides A equals 12, side with length B that is unknown, and then a hypotenuse with length C equals 17. The Pythagorean theorem states that A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared, where C is the length of the hypotenuse. We'll substitute 12 for A and 17 for C, and then solve for B. So we have 12 squared plus B squared is equal to 17 squared. Evaluating the exponents, this equation becomes 144 plus B squared is equal to 289. We subtract 144 from both sides, and we get that B squared is equal to 145, which tells us that B is equal to the square root of 145.